What's up, guys? It's your favorite club, and we're back with another video. And this one is going to be an art project, and it's going to be a bird feeder. That's right, I said a bird feeder. Let's go. It's your favorite club director, Mr. Kelsey, and I am going to tell you the ingredients that you need. So you're going to need a juice carton. It can be this juice carton, it can be a milk carton. You're going to need some scissors. You're going to need a Sharpie. And you are going to need some paint. I chose puffy paint because I wanted to see how this would turn out once it dries. So what you want to do first is you want to measure out how big you think the birds are going to be. So I ended up using my remote as being my ruler because for some odd reason I don't have a ruler in house. So I just ended up using the remote and taking the marker and sketching out the squares that I want, or the openings that I want for the bird. So I did it on the front, I did it on the sides, and I did it on the back. Not the back. You don't want to do anything on the back. You don't want to do anything with it. You want to leave that alone. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of speed up this process a little bit so you guys won't be bored watching me. So I'm going to show you everything again. And then after I show you it, I'm going to get to work. And as you can see, I'm moving along the sides this time. And then I put the X on the back to give myself the reminder that you don't want to do anything to it. And I took a paper towel to get the excess juice out of the inside. You want to definitely do that at first. And then as I'm putting my puffy paint on, I'm coming up with the finished product. I just wanted to keep it very simple, and I wanted to keep it very neat. So I hope you guys have a good one. I hope you guys stay safe and continue to be great.